Hey, welcome back viewers in the course. Now in this lecture, let's update the table in the database. We have the user table right there. Yes, users. Let's update this with this user. We'll simply go and just after the HTML or just after this form tag, here we will start the PHP. First of all, let's simply say if set $_post, which is the method of the form, and this is the button we are targeting. Update. If that is clicked or that is pressed or that is active, then just we are creating the script that is active. Then the script that we are writing now, this will be executed basically. First of all, we need to now get the new data that is inserted through the same form we have right here, and we have the names for everything, like for email we have input type email and name is u email. For password we have name u pass, and for name we have u_name, and we also have file name umh. So we need to just put this we need to create 4 variables. So the first one will be user underscore, or just shortcut uname, or just name. Let's check we have anything above. Yes, we have username. So let's create with the u_name is equal to $_post, and then u_name, which is the field name. We are getting data from that, and the next will be u_pass, which will be equal to again post. This will be u_pass, then semicolon. Once again I will copy this and paste it here. And we user email and user email, and this last one will be one more. So this two will be about user image, and here we will change the post to files, because image we always get using the files array in PHP, and we need to add 2 more square brackets because the image actually has multiple parts of data. So we need to specify which data we are getting using this files or this variable. So we said that u_image field, from that get the name of the image, and the next we will say image_tmp. I mean the temporary name of the image will be this one, which is basically in the PHP directory just for tmp name. This is basically just default thing, tmp name, and just create a variable and say image temporary name. So temporary name is basically the place for this image in the temporary directory of PHP. Now we have got these all things from the new data that is coming through the form. Now we can insert this basically very simply. So what we will say, we'll say if required is already there. When someone update this, uimage, okay, uimage 174 175 174 175. Let's check uimage. Okay, it's okay, nothing, no problem. So when we have or not the required function, yes, we have the required. Okay, action is nothing, method is post, and one more thing we just forgot to add is that ink type will be equal to multipart \form-data. This is a special attribute which we always add to the form tag itself when we are actually uploading images to the folder or the server. So this is very necessary. Okay, you should add this as well when you are dealing with images. So we did that. Now there is no problem. Control S to save, and now come refresh the page again. Oh my god, line number 177. Okay, remove this thing. Control S to save again, refresh. Okay, so when click update, nothing happens. So let's add the required to this as well. This image required. That's it. Control S to save, refresh. Now there is data, and here is, if image is not selected, then we have to select the image as well. So just let's now insert or update the data. I will say first of all we will use the function move underscore uploaded file. This is a function basically for uploading the image to the file, the folder of the file. So we'll say the image name is this one, temporary name. Okay, and then comma, and then in the inverted commas we'll give the folder name, which is user backslash, then user underscore images, and then backslash, and then we'll say the image that is coming to the folder is this one. Very simple. Now next we'll say update, and which will be equal to, we'll write the query, and in the query we'll say update users set user underscore name to this name, u underscore name. Very easy and simple syntax. Just you will write the update, then say the table name users, which is users, and after that we say set this table to this data. Now the user underscore name which we have here, I am talking about this field, user underscore name field right here. We say set that to this variable, which is bringing a new data we have here, the local variable, and that is getting the data from above form. So we say set that to this, and then we insert a normal comma, and then we say user underscore pass will be equal to, then single quote, and we say this new pass which is in the variable, and then we once again put the comma, then we say user underscore email will be equal to this new one, u underscore email, and then we say once again comma, user underscore image will be equal to this new one. This will be the name of the, this will be what, this will be the name of the image that we will insert to database as well, and also we are uploading using this function. We are uploading the image to our folder. So u image. Now here is the trick. If we run this query, this will update all the users in the table, but we need to actually specify which user we want to update actually. So we will say where user underscore id is equal to this id basically, which is user id. Yes, and we will also need to identify another option like end status is equal to verified, but we will not use this right now because we have not yet used the email option, the email verification option or feature. We have not added that, so we will not this. We'll just say okay, user ID. When we will upload this to, so we will also change that email verification system. So now very simply we have just updated the 4 fields, and we say where user ID is equal to this ID. So this is also okay, fine. Now we need to run this query very easily. We'll say run a new local variable MySQLi query, and then connection, and then this update variable, and the end I will say if inside the curly brackets if run variable. If this has been executed, then I will say echo, and I will say okay, JavaScript. Let's use some JavaScript here, and JavaScript alert. I'll say your profile updated. Simple. And we need to refresh the page as well, because the person should see something has changed actually. So once again, script start, script close, and then inside it window.open, and just say edit profile .php, or just back it to home.php. Very simple. And this window will be a self window, so the person cannot know what has happened, basically how he or she was redirected. So really simple. We have written the script, the simple script for updating this user. Now let's come back, refresh, and say Abdul Khan instead of Abdul Wali. In the password is something, Wali Khan 123, and the email is this one. Okay, and country we cannot change, but I will change the image to this one. Okay, update. You can see your profile updated. Okay, now here all the images have been changed. Right here you can see all the posts I had done here. All of them have been uploaded. Basically this picture has not updated, I don't know why, but the rest of the pictures you can see right here, they are updated, and that is nice. Let's come here to the table and refresh, browse. You can see Abdul Khan instead of Abdul Wali. My email, oh sorry, there are two emails, duplicate emails, therefore the problem is there. And yes, so you need to change the above email to something else, abc@gmail.com. okay, now just come here, refresh the page. Okay, that email, actually we added two emails, the same emails, and AW Parishan Afghanistan mail, and you can see here the image, and also you can see in the user folder, and then user images, you can see this is the image right there. Very simple. So now let's log out and log in with another user, for example John Doe, and john@gmail.com. John Doe, and password. Okay, this is now John Doe. You can see this has the same default image in the other details here. Now I will go just to edit my account, and you can see all the details of John Doe name, John Doe email, United States mail, and other things. I will just say okay, change their picture only, the John Doe picture. Okay, this one, and nothing else. Okay, just only picture. Your profile updated. Okay, you can see right here the image has come, and this John Doe I think has not posted anything, so let's post something with this user. Hey, I want to know something about PHP, and just copy and paste it. Select a topic, PHP and MySQL, post to timeline. You can see John Doe. Hi, I want to know in the time, in the date, in the post, and everything. Nicely we have done, looking beautiful. Now anyone can comment here. Hey, this is a testing comment. This person is commenting to himself. Reply edit, and you can see John Doe is telling himself that this is a comment. And the other posts are by Abdul Wali. We can once again go back and can check other user. For example, this Jessica, and the password is here. I will say Jessica. For example, login. So this is now the picture we already added, in last. So just go edit my account, choose another picture, for example another one like this one, and okay, from Jessica to Tina. Okay, your profile updated, nicely done here. And if this girl now tell something, I want to get help about Ajax, please help, and just copy and paste it, demo content, and select the topic, post, and you can see Tina, I want to get help about this and that. John Doe, Tina, Abdul Wali, and different people are now easily posting here, changing their account. I mean, they can edit their account, can change their pictures, can change their details and things like that. Very nice and simple. I mean, simple and nice, dynamic website, social network, and forum in PHP. So let's come back in the next lecture, because we have done this, the edit my account portion. Now when you click this members option, so you can see all the pictures of those users, so they have changed their pictures. Now in the next lecture we'll work on this my posts link, so we can see the post which this user has, this specific user who is logged in right now. They can see their own post, they can edit them, they can delete them, and they can view them. See you in the next lecture.